Uday Madkaiker will be the mayor, and Pascoela is the deputy mayor.
Very good. Congratulations.
So these two, and they will all work together in the interest of the city. Uh, I think there are a lot of things to be done.
बाकीच्या नगरपालिकांनी थळावे अधिकारी सीओ आसात, पण जे खंय तसलोच जाय. IAS नाका. IASांक खंय थळाव्या इशूंची कल्पना आसना.
I will meet the Honorable Chief Minister to first of all to tell him as far as the commissioner is concerned to have some commissioner who basically to have a commissioner who a local one, not some IAS officer and all, because having this IAS officer is useless because they don't know the need of the people and what are the priorities of the people. I think all the other councils there are all local commissioners or local officers. So here I would ask the Chief Minister, in fact, to get anyone who leans towards them. That's not a problem. But get a Goan.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि तुळशीदास चारी.